Good morning. So, I want to share some information with you guys in regards to Pure Living Farm and Wellness. So, many people have been reaching out to me, wanting to come to our farm. And, hello, baby. Say hi to Ginger. Ginger, say hi. Say hi, Ginger. Don't be shy. Anyway, she wants her loving this morning. Okay, let's walk. Come on, walk with me. Um, so, Many people have been reaching out to me, my husband, in regards to wanting to come out to our farm and wanting to learn. And so we're setting up our place to offer education on gardening, husbandry, um, taking care of goats and chickens and all that entails, as well as buying raw land. And so we're getting our website. We hired somebody who is exceptional. I will link her information, who has been working with us for years. So she's going to be working on our website for the Pure Living Farm and Wellness aspect of it. And so hopefully we get that running by early next month. And so we still have a lot to do on our farm. Did Ginger not come? Okay, there she go. There she go. Where's she at? There she go. So we still have a lot that we're doing and planning for you guys. So it's a lot of work. It's a lot that we're doing a lot to keep up with as well, the business aspect of it. But we will soon be taking appointments to come and tour the farm and have a sit and learn, and possibly a sit, eat, and learn. Eventually doing farm table, so lunch and learn kind of thing at the farm. And so we're excited about what God is doing and getting ready to do with us. Do a nature trail walk, feed the goats, meet the chickens. All of them have personalities. We're hoping to probably get some other animals. That's the goal. Coming. Okay, so we're supposed to have hopefully it come. I didn't plan it. We didn't have enough sun in this area, so this was supposed to be the flower area. So we'll be working on that again, but just a row of flowers for people to see. And hopefully we get our blueberries in, and so that when people come to the farm, they can pick some blueberries as well as part of their experience, so the farm experience. So there's a lot of people that wants to learn and they don't want to stay behind the screen. And so it's not the same. It's not the same to sit behind a screen and watch people do it. You want to be hands-on, in the nitty-gritty, in your face, and kind of really see and touch what you're learning. So if you're a learner like me that needs all my senses, then you need to come and connect with us, reach out to me, and we'll see what we can do. We're early on in the phase of putting everything together, still clearing some properties, trying to map out where we're going to put certain things. But if you're tired of just leaning on YouTube and social media for your learning, and you want to be up and personal and have the hands-on, you can reach out to me, and soon we'll be having our website so that you can reach out to us through our website for Pure Living Farm, and it'll be scheduled events in regards to coming out and setting up an appointment or even private appointment to learn as much as you can in a small short of time so that you can implement it. The world is changing around us, and we want to know how to live, and sustain, have some type of sustainability in this life. So farm life, country life, learning with the animals, if you decide to do that, and even the business aspects of it is what we plan on doing, and even having some people come out and offer education on our property. We also have the bees, so learning about bees as well. So that's the plan and the goal. I think God is leading me. I believe it's evident that God is leading me, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited about everything, and I can't wait to meet you guys in person, especially everyone that has already reached out to me thus far. And so I'm excited. So keep us, if you are a praying person, keep us in prayer and the endeavors that God is leading us in, and how we can bless and help the community in learning, not just behind the screen, because we don't know how long, these outlets will be in existence, but we can always come and connect and meet with one another, sit with one another, helping one another, and encourage one another here at Pure Living Farm. So until next time, be happy and healthy. All right.